Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, guys. Now once again I'm present with another update video of Polygon Matic, guys. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Polygon Matic is about $1.12 USD dollar. And furthermore, if you talk about the changes updates, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes so far in the Polygon Matic is negative, but only last 1 day changes update is positive 2.2%, guys. Only 1 day update is positive. That's mean, guys, that from yesterday Polygon start pumping, guys. Oh my god, that's too good. I'm very happy to see these positive changes. You can see here last 1 day from yesterday they start pumping, and guys, now in the data situation the price is in the dumping mood, but very soon after 12 PM the price of Polygon will again positive, guys. Positive 2.2% the price pump just in last 24 hours, guys. And I believe, guys, that for a long time Polygon Matic will continue this pump, guys. So holders, please, I request everybody, I suggest for everybody that please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Polygon? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.